Hello friend, welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. This is Kotlin014. In this video, let's provide another example of list, Kotlin list. Okay, let's try to find the maximum of the elements inside the list. Okay, so let's get started. So function find the max, like that. So let's create a bunch of random numbers first. Let's define the numbers equals mutable list of integers. So this is called generic. So it will return, you will create an empty mutable list of integers with data type. Okay, now let's do a for loop. I in 0 dot dot 9 will create 9 of them. How can we create random numbers? Dot add random number. We can use the Kotlin random class. This one dot next int until, right? So this is the until 100. It means it will be less than 100. Now let's print out this list. Okay, numbers, give a try, run it here. Yeah, like that, right? Now let's try to find the maximum of that, something like 99 here. Yeah, so we can loop through all the each number in this list, but we want to define the variable max equals the first one of them, or we can just use, can we just can we do that? Oh, okay, cool. So variable of that, let's put it under here. Delete. Now we can use this number in numbers, right, to look through all of them, and if number is greater than max, then we'll oh, haha. Yeah, so better to assign this guy there, right? The minimum value of any int. So now we can replace the max with this new number, right? So at the end we should be able to find the max. So max is max, that, or max equals to that. Now let's try it. 89, is it? 89. Yeah, that's correct. If we run again, we'll see a different group of random numbers. So this time O is always the first. Let's try it again. 79, this guy. Yes, it works, right? What if we want to find the second largest? Second largest right? Second largest. So that's max and second. Okay, let's define another variable to keep that one. So now let's go through all the numbers here. So if this one is greater than that, we replace with that, and we still need to do something like second equals the original. Oh, we need to do that first. Number, right? We need to replace the second with the original max. Yeah, like that. And else if the number is greater than the second, right? Then we need to replace the second with the number. Okay, if the number is smaller than second, then we don't need to do anything, right? Let's give it a try. So max equals that, and second equals second. Let's see if it works. Run it. The max is 83, the second largest is 74. That's correct. Okay, run again. 94 and 83, right? So actually we'll ignore the max, right? Second. That's what we need, right? To match the name of our function. Yeah. So the second is 80. What is the first? Yeah, 84. Cool. It works. Thank you for watching. See you next time.